See, in the last class, we are discussing about the space switching. In the space switching, we are using the some ICs to make the connections between the a number of input incoming PCM IBase to m number of outgoing incoming PCM IBase. Okay, this is the integrated circuit. What you're seeing that figure, that is your integrated ICs. Okay, it contains and gates, and it contains a logical decode the logical gates based on your addressing that will be stored in the uh, it will be stored in the connection store. Okay, every time the cyclically the read out the all the information that will be stored in the connector stores when it is it will be valid address that will be stored in the number of channels. Then automatically the decode the logical circuits that will be decode the logic. Then they will generating the pulse as given as a input for the NAND gate. Okay, there's a one input of the NAND gate. Similarly, another input of NAND gate is taken from the incoming PCM highways. Okay, there's a k number of incoming lines, again m number of outgoing lines will be there. Okay, both the input will be I, then output also will be I. Okay, that is a basic thing. Okay, what is the basic AND operation will be the both the input will be I. Okay, suppose if you take an example working of your AND gate. Okay, suppose y is the output, a and b is your input. Okay, suppose a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, what the output will be a 0. And is nothing but multiplication performance. Okay, similarly a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1, output also will be 0. A is equal to 1 or b is equal to 0, the output also will be 0. The both the input will be I, then only the output will be I. Okay, see, initially the first input pin. Okay, that should be uh, connected to the directly connected to the incoming PCM IVs, and another input gate should be connected to the decoder logic. When the address will be found, the logic will be decoded, and then they're generating the pulses. Okay, I pulses. Okay, high level pulses will be generating. Then automatically, okay, they'll be connected to the n incoming. There's a n incoming PCM IVs. Okay, see, here we are using the NAND gate now. Okay, that is called as a cross points. Okay, this is called as a cross point. Okay, clear about this one? Any doubt regarding this? Okay, till we are till up to we are discussed in the previous class. Correct now? Say yes or no? Hello, it is audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the next type of switching, there's a space. So next is the time switching. Okay, this is your circuit diagram of your time switching. Please, everyone, please note on this diagram. Okay, this is also very important. In the previous also is very important. This also will be a very important. Please, everyone, note on this time switch diagram. Now, okay, everyone, please note on the time switch diagram. Please, everyone, please note on. Okay, today is the again one more. This one, what is it? Announcement is there. Today is the last date for pay the due amount. Okay. See, some of the students still they are not paid. Okay. Jyoti, you paid now?
Yes, sir.
And Sonika Prasad, you are still remaining some amount will be there. Sonika, are you there? Sonika Prasad, still some pending amount will be there. If you're not paid today, you are not eligible to take the IA. Okay. Again, some of the students, some of the Srinivas also. Srinivas, Rameshri, you paid the remaining amount. Rameshri, are you there? See, you pay the remaining amount. Okay, those who are not paid the amount, those students are not eligible to take the IA because we are given lot of time to pay the fees. Okay, actually, this one, what is that? The this semester also will be get over another 1.5 month. It will be get over. Okay, that's why you should pay initially. We are not asking in the next academic fees. We are asking the previous academic year fees only. Please pay the fees. Okay, today is the last date. The due date will be the 24th only. Okay. See, now you take down this one. See, I'm not responsible. If suppose you are not, if not assigning any IAs, I'm not responsible. If you paid and send a receipt, then the same thing will be submitted to the exam sections. Okay, everyone take down this. Everyone should take down this. What is that? Take down the diagram. Completed. Completed this, students. Can you go for explanation? Explanation go klappa. Are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
See here in the time switching, the principle of time switching I show in the figure. Okay. See, it connects N channel of PCM IVs to outgoing N channel of PCM IVs. Okay, you can see observe in the diagram. The input will be the it connecting the both connecting the incoming N PCM N channel PCM IVs to outgoing N channel PCM IVs. Means through the switches, through the switches, time switches, we make the connection between the incoming N channel PCM IVs to outgoing N channel PCM IV. Okay. Since any incoming channels can be connected to any outgoing channels. Okay. Any incoming channel should be connected to the any outgoing channels through these time switches. Okay. And then you can see observe it is the time switching diagram is equivalent to a space division cross point matrix. Okay, it is very much equivalent. Okay, there's a space division cross point matrix with n incoming and n outgoing trunks. Okay, see here how to exchange this data. Okay, the time slots will be interchanged and it is carried out by means of two stores. Okay, in previous case there's a one store will be there. Here the slot interchange, the time slot interchange will be carried out by two time slots. Okay. Okay, clear about this one? Okay. See, here we have two stores will be there. Okay. The time slot interchange is carried out by means of two stores, each having a storage address. Okay, we can see there is a column will be there now. Those are the columns are the storage address for every channel of the PCM frame. Okay. Again, there is a two store. Initially, I told you people it has a two stores. See, one is the speech store, and another one is the uh, connector connection store. Okay, we can see observe. The one is the speech store, and then another one is the connection store. Okay, there's a two stores will be there. See, in this case, okay, in the speech store, okay, in the speech store again it will be contain the data of each incoming time slots to a corresponding address. Okay, and also speech store, it contains the data of each incoming time slots at a corresponding address. Okay, each address of the connection stores corresponding to a time source on a outgoing PCM highway. Okay, what are the address will be stored in the speech store? Okay, okay, thus it's okay, it contains, okay, it means how to read out means cyclically the read out the address from the connection store also. Okay, that should be correspond to a time slots on the ongoing or outgoing highways. Okay, again the information read out in the speech store cyclically. Okay, initially what happened, the connection store, the address will be stored. Okay, each time slots address will be stored in the connection store. Okay, then speech store, uh, the information is read out cyclically in the synchronizing manner with the incoming PCM system. Okay, however, the random access readout it is used. Then connection store as a cyclical readout, but writing is a non-cyclic. Okay, due to this, the connection should be established. Okay, the establish the connection of the some X number of time slots of incoming channel. Suppose I'm considering some X number of time slots in the incoming channel. It is written into the connection to. Okay, that address will be returned into the connection store at the corresponding address to be selected the outgoing channel Y. Okay, clear about this one. If you want to see, once again I have repeated the statement. If the connection will be established, okay, suppose you taken X is the number of incoming slot and Y is the number of outgoing channels, considering X and Y. Okay, the number of incoming or X time slots of the incoming channel that returns to into the connection store at the corresponding address to select the outgoing channel Y. Okay, during the cyclic scan of the speech store, the incoming PCM samples from channel X return to the X address. Okay. Similarly, during each cycle of scan of connection store, the number of X will be read out at the beginning of the time slots Y. Okay. And this is decode the logic. You can see, observe the decode the logic to the particular or selected address of X of speech store. Okay. Once the content are read out and sent over the outgoing PCM highway. Okay, we can see observe. There's a two stores will be there. One is the connection store and then speed store. Speed store will be cyclically read and connection will be cyclically read. Okay, if you want to establish between the two channels, suppose I'm taking the some different time. Okay, initially I'm told what do you mean? What is the definition of this time switching is nothing but there is a transmit and receiving data with different time slots. Okay, that's time slots. The time slots will be different for different directions. Okay, suppose I'm same thing here also I'm done here. The establish of the connection, the number of incoming time slots. Okay, I'm taking example. The incoming time slots will be X. Okay, okay, that address, the incoming channel is returned to the connection store at the address corresponding to the selected outgoing channel. Okay. So during the cyclic scan of the speech store, the incoming PCM sample from channel X returned to the address of X. Again, during each cyclic scan of the connection store, the number of X will be read out at the beginning of the time slots of Y. And this is a decode the logic to select the proper address of X of speech store and whose contents are read out. Okay, that content will be read out and sent over the outgoing PCM. Okay, this is your explanation of your time switching. Okay, we can see observe here. One is get decoded. Once it get decoded, there's a decoded logic will be there. Once it is decoded, that will be the content will be sent to the outgoing PCM highway. Okay, clear about this one? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please hold a minute. Please hold a minute. Please hold a minute. The next one is that time division switching systems. Okay, we know that there is a combination of these two switching. Okay, time division switching system. Okay, in the time division switching system, you have different types of configuration will be there, connections will be there. Or in the space time space or time space time. See, basically, we are using the time switching methods that should be adopted in the tandem network or toll network, or also central office also can use this of time switching network. Okay, in the time switching network, there is some basic switching network. You can see observe there is a different configuration is there to make the cross point between the incoming and outgoing PCM highways. Okay, here in the slide you can see observe this is a one type of the switching division switching system, that is the space time space. Okay, we are using the both the things. We are using the both the things. We can get the different types of switching. Okay, here you can see observe in the figure. There is a space time space switching network. Each of incoming PCM highways can be connected to N-link. You can see observe in the figure. There is a link. Each means here here in the both the incoming and outgoing, we are using the space switching to make the connect those two incoming lines through the time. We can make the cross points. Okay, that's a we are using two space switches and one time switches for this kind of configuration. Okay, we can show the there is a time switching network. You can see observe in the figure. Each of M incoming PCM highway can be connected to the K link. Okay, there's a link will be there. You can see observe here. This is your K links. Okay, this is your K links. Okay, it means that it connect. Okay, it is connected the K links. Okay, the M incoming PCI ways can be connected to K link by the cross point in the A switch. What is the cross point here? There is the A switches. Okay, these are the K links only. Here also K links. Okay, don't confuse. Means these are the K links. Okay, clear about this one. It means that all the incoming lines, okay, all the m number of incoming PCM highways can be connected to K links by cross point in the A switches. Similarly, in another side, okay, in the right hand side, you can see observe again the K links. Okay, the K links are connected to the M outgoing PCM highways by cross point in the C switches. The cross point will be in the C switches. Okay, these are the M incoming PCM highway. This also will get M incoming M outgoing PCM highways. There is a K links. Okay, to make the connections between these two through this the cross point of A switch, and similarly another side also they make the connection between the K links to M outgoing PCM highway through this C cross point switches. Okay, that will be represented by C switches here. That will be represented by A switch. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, the next.
No, sir.
Then each links, and then one more thing you can observe in the figure, the each link should be connected to the time switches. Okay, these are the links. Okay, these are the links. Okay, this is the first link, this is the second link. Suppose like that, k number of links will be there. Okay, each link will be connected to the time switches. Okay, you can see here in this case I'm taking two links. Okay, these are the two the k links. Okay, this and this. That should be connected to the time switches. Okay, the time switch will be n into n cross. Okay, the both the time switches will be n into n crosses will be there. Okay, it means that each link contain consists or including or it contains a time switches. Okay, then to make the connection between the if you make the connection between the time slot x of incoming PCM highways, I'm considering here suppose the x time slot. Okay, incoming. Okay, the make the connection between time slot x of incoming highways and time slots y of outgoing highways. Okay, it is necessary to select a link having the address of x free, the speed store, and address y in free it the connection store. Okay, it means that there is a connection will be exhibits between the x of incoming highway and different time slots of y of outgoing highway. It is necessary to store the it's necessary to select a particular link. Okay, that link is having the address of x free in the speed store and y free in the connection store. Okay, then time switches is said to be a produce the shift. Okay, there's a shift from x to y. Okay, the time switches is then set to produce the shift from x to y. The connection is completed by operating the appropriate appropriate switches from x to y. Okay, then a switch, thus a switch cross point at a time x and appropriate will be a switch cross point at a time of y in each frame. Clear? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವೇನಾರ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋಸ್ there is a x time slots ಇದೆ ಇನ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಐವಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ y time slots ಇದೆ ಔಟ್ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಐವಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ the necessary select the proper necessary link that having address of x it is in a speed store and the address of y free in the connection store. The time switches is then set to produce the shift between x to y because we have different time slots will be there now. That's why for what is the x that will be shifted to y. Again, that the connection is completed by the operating shifting. Again, okay, operating the appropriate shift from x to y. A switch cross point at a time and appropriate there's a C switch cross point at the time y in each frame. Okay, when it is shift means the C switch will make the cross point for this particular x and y incoming highways in the particular time slots. Okay, clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ C switches, they make the connection between the X incoming and Y incoming PCM highways with a different time slots. I'm taking X is for incoming and Y for the outgoing time slots. Correct now? Clear? Once again, I repeat that. Once again, I repeat the statement. See, there is a connection between the incoming and outgoing with a different time slots. We consider as a incoming as a X time slots and outgoing is a Y time slots. And if you have to make connection means the address should be selected in the speech store, okay, for X time slots. And similarly, the address Y is free in the its connection store. Okay, yeah. Then the time will be switched between the X to Y. Then the connection will be completed by operating the shift mechanisms and the switch cross point at the time X and appropriate C switch across the time at Y. It means nothing but the switch cross point at the time X and appropriate C switch across the point of 5. We are shifting the time. Okay, means the time switch is then set to produce a shift from X to Y. Okay, this is a way to make the cross point uh, between the incoming and outgoing PCM highways.
Sir,
Yes,
the PPT is not visible, sir.
I will check it. Please hold on, I will check it. Okay, any doubt regarding this? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, the next type of switching configuration is the time space time. On the incoming means in the previous case space and space. Okay, all incoming and outgoing connected to the space switches. In between time will be there. Here the next configuration is the uh, time space time switching. Okay, wait for I will show display the PPT. Please hold a minute. I will show the circuit diagram, block diagram of time space time switching. Please hold a minute. Okay, dear students, here some network issues. Network issue is there. See, still we have finished some of the topics in the module 3, module 4 also. Okay, in IA as you know, There's a second model will be off will be there, and third will be full will be there. Okay. See any doubt regarding this any content, you can ask me any question now. Okay. It takes some time to load the PPT. That's why during that particular time, you should discuss with the previous topic. Okay. See one by one. Any doubt? Any topic? Any doubt related to the any topic? You can ask me any question. So it is it's another 20 minutes is there. Another 20 minutes for discussion for the previous models. Okay. See, you can explain. Okay. Otherwise, what you do means in next class onwards. See, everyone should prepare one topic. Okay. That student should be give the presentation. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ See, in the next class onwards, everyone should do the presentation. Okay. In the model 2 or model 3, okay, you take one select any one topic you selected. Okay, that's topic should be presented in the next class. Okay, in the both the classes, in the ARM as well as the DSS. Okay, you prepare any one topic. Okay, that's left to you people. Otherwise, if you want I give means I will give the topic. Otherwise, you only select the topics and do the presentation. Okay, second module and third module. Okay, otherwise, you take third module topics only. Okay, third module topics you can select and do give the presentation. Okay, otherwise, I will give the 5 minutes time to select any one topic. You tell me that just the topic should be note down. There's a one way of to giving the assignments. Okay.
Sir, tomorrow we will tell, sir, topic.
Now only you tell. We have another 20 minutes is there now. There is a discussion time. Okay. You go for
Okay.
just you go to the your notes. Select any one topic. Tell me the topic name. I will note down that. Okay. Tomorrow the next class. Okay. You should be present that particular topic. Okay.
Sir, individual presentation, sir.
Yeah, individual presentation, not group.
Okay, sir.
Now you tell me the topic name. Just I will note down because if you give the presentation, some more marks will get it. Okay, there's some advantages will be there. That also we consider as a assignment. Okay, some grace points will be given if you present properly, or at least you present it means you should give some marks. Okay, that's why I'm asking you people. You should give your topic. I just have note down. The next class you have presented that particular topic. Put some marks. Okay. See, now I'm giving 10 minutes time to select the topic and tell me. Okay.
Sir? Sir?
Yeah, tell me, Pa.
Sir, if you don't mind, give us the topic, sir.
For you, na.
Yes, sir.
You do this one. What is that? A single stage network.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
the topic ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, you see, there's notes will be there, na? You just go through that. You can select. Okay, we do this two-stage network.
Two-stage network.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Other also can select the topic. Go to, if you only to selecting the topic, go to the notes. Okay, already I shared in your team. Okay, you can select any one topic from module 2. Second part starts from the second part of the module to select the topic. Fill up with third one and up with that.
Sir, when we have to present?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow you present. Okay.
Sir, at least give 1 day gap, sir.
Hmm?
At least give 1 day time, sir.
See, it is very easy now.
Yes, sir.
It is help to you people now. Because anyway, I will be there now. Even good topic that they have now. Then we can analyze it now that related to the topic. Select any one topic. Do the presentation.
Sir, your audio is not clear.
Select any one topic and do the presentation tomorrow. Now it is audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only 2 students are given. Means I only given the topic. What about others? What about others? Please give me your topic. What about others? Please give the topics.
Sir,
Venkat,
sir,
Abhishek.
sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, I'll take embedded system, sir.
Okay. So you can now, okay, one more option we are given. If you take that also, embedded system topic also take. Full
Yes, sir,
theory
I'll
part will
take
be there
embedded
now.
system.
In third model, you take one topic and you should explain tomorrow in the embedded class.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, from module 3, sir.
What?
From module 3, we have to select, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, select any one topic and do the presentation tomorrow. Okay. Just to give this one. What is that? Title. Title you should give. I'll just have a note on the title. Tomorrow you do the presentation.
Sir, I'll do embedded system, sir.
Embedded system in that what topic? Well, a lot of topic is there now. Classification.
Embedded system basics, sir.
Okay. What's your name?
Sonika and Prasad.
Sir, is it okay if I take 8051 microcontroller as presentation topic?
8051 is not there now. Architecture, you do it.
Okay.
Okay. What's your name? Then what about others? A student, the boys. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ
Sir,
Yes,
you asked me to do the architecture, sir.
Yes. Hey boys, Abhishek, Venkat Bhargav, Dinesh. What about others? At least send the messages. Okay. At least send your message through chat box. Okay. See, those are students are selected topic. Just you type the title. Share the title in the chat box. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅದರ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಟಲ್ ನ. Okay, dear students, today we'll stop here and continue the next class. Okay, thank you. Okay, before leaving the session, you should select a topic and share in the chat box.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.